What's up YouTube? Fogel here. Today we are going to be installing a new armrest in my 2015 WRX. The one I bought the car, I think previous owner had a dog or some sort of animal, and the one that I have in here is all plastic and scratched up and dinged and dented. So I bought this one on Facebook today and it finally came in the mail. It's leather and it has the nice stitching on the side just like the seats. So we're going to install this and I'm going to show you guys how to do that today. Okay, so this is my current armrest. As you can see, let me get a light here. It's all dinged up and scratched, and it looks like there's a bunch of claw marks here and here and over here. Kind of looks like somebody had like a puppy or some sort of dog or something. So we're going to replace that today with this one that I just bought on Facebook. It's nice and it's leather. It has this cool stitching on the side that matches the seats. The only problem I think we're going to have is this one is not the adjustable one, like the one I currently have, where you can put it up and down. So we're going to see how that works. I think that if this one just stays in the upright position, I'll be okay with that, because I don't really make this go up or down. I like it at the highest point. So we're going to take this out and see if this works or not, and then go from there, I suppose. Okay, first things first is you're going to want to put your seats, push them forward to get more room in the back seat. Then we're going to work with this thing right here. I already did mine, but you're going to basically pull right here, and then this will just come out. Be careful. There's 3 clips right here, 2 on the top and 1 right here. I broke mine already, so I'm going to have to glue that back on. But if you order SubiSpeed, you can get a brand new one of these. So just be very careful. But anyway, what we're looking for is, get my light down here, inside there. There's a screw that we're looking for. So we're going to take that out, and then the rest of this should just come out. Okay, once you remove that screw that's holding in right there, you just want to pull on this. I'm going to use both hands. Okay, once you've pulled that off, there's going to be 3 screws right in there. Put my light down here. It's going to be 3 screws right there that hold this armrest in place. Once you remove these 3 screws, this whole thing will come out, and then we can go ahead and install the new one and see if it works with or without this pushy thing. Alright, once you've removed those 3 screws that are hidden right there, you're just going to reach your arm around where you can pop the armrest up, and it'll just come out just like so. So now we're going to take this inside and see if we can get just the top part off, put our new one on, and see if the closing mechanism still works or not. Okay guys, so after taking both the old armrest and the new armrest inside to try and take the top off to put this one on this mechanism for raising and lowering, I have come to find out that these are not the same size. So you cannot put this armrest that does not have the button on the mechanism that goes up and down. This one is smaller than this one, width-wise. I tried to take apart the mechanism by taking the bottom off of this and try to put it on this one. It just doesn't work. The holes for the mechanism itself are not on this one. I tried to take all the screws out, take these 6 screws out and put the lid on that one. It doesn't work. So I think what I'm going to do for this installation is just buy the SubiSpeed JDM console thing and put it under here so I have the extra height for that one. Or what I can do is I can order from SubiSpeed just a new leather kit for this one. So I have two options that I can go with, but I wanted to let you guys know that if you buy this armrest without the flip up, you cannot put it on the flip up mechanism. Just tried it, doesn't work. So for this install, I'm going to take this one out for now. Although I really do like the height that this one gives me when I'm driving, I'm still going to install the brand new one anyway. So after that, what you're going to do is basically just put it in the way you took it out. You know, stick that down in there, just like so. Got the new one in, looks nice. And then you just put the 3 screws back in, like that. It looks good. It's a little low for my preference, but like I said, what we're going to have to do is we're either going to have to get a new kit for this one, my old one, or I'm just going to buy the new SubiSpeed JDM console height extender thing that they sell for this one. Either way, just wanted to let you guys know you cannot take this lid and put it on that mechanism. What you're going to do is you're going to put those 3 screws back in, push this back in, put your screw back in right here, and then you'll just put this back on, flip this up, and we'll be good to go. Hopefully this helps. Hopefully some of you have this question, or you wanted to know that there are 2 different kinds of armrests. I didn't before just now, so that's good to know. If you guys have any questions or anything, or if you want to know anything about the armrests, feel free to message me on here, Facebook, or Instagram, or whatever you guys want to do. Just let me know. This is Fogel. I'll see you guys in the next one.